Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. This is the Bus Couple 22, and today we are in
Live and direct, coming at you from Battersea Park, mate. Speaking like this because we're in London again. You know what it's like. I'm gonna walk around and show you what it's all about.
This is the southwest. West.
East is the best, but yeah, we can visit southwest sometimes. Let's go. London. Look how they do it, right? This is that they don't mess about over in Battersea. We do it proper. We don't give it no bush way. We do it proper. Look.
The only way to do it.
That's the only way to do it. And there's a thank you very much, sir. Whoops.
Listen, if we don't look after
No. Strawberry on that one.
If we don't look after our own,
forget it.
Yeah.
See that?
Have you been about here all your life?
Course, mate. Course, mate. Can't come to the park without having some ice cream. It's not gelato, but it's the London version.
It's not as nice as
Biscoff biscuit,
Italian outside.
twin flake, single flake, sprinkle cone. Oh, come on, baby. What are you saying? Is it lovely?
It's double the price that we paid.
All right, darling. Don't tell them about the price. It's just nice. Love ya. Oh my gosh, we just happened upon a little tea and cake store. Shall we? Why not?